Hi guys! Welcome back sa YouTube channel ko. So for today, may problem tayo coming from differential calculus. Calculus, sorry. So this must be calculus mga Lodi Cakes, and this is from engineering mathematics. So ano po yung tanong, Sir IJ? Given the curve y is equal to x squared and the point 5, 17, find the x-intercept of the tangent line to the curve passing through the given point, which is the 5, 17. So, shoutout nga pala dun sa mga Lodi Geeks natin na patuloy na sumusuporta sa channel natin, and good luck din dun sa mga kasali sa National Quiz Show for ECE, the IQS Interscholastic Quiz Show, tsaka sa ECE Math Olympiad, and also sa mga Lodi Geeks nating electrical engineering students nakasali sa NSCon this coming November 27, I think, or parang 3 days ata yung event. So, ito yung problem natin. Meron daw tayong curve y is equal to x squared, and meron tayong given na point 5, 17. So normally, when we compute for the equation of the tangent line, alam naman natin mga Lodi Cakes na dapat yung point na nandito sa curve dadaan dun sa tangent line natin, right? Kaya lang, considering the 5, 17, hindi naman siya tumama dun sa curve natin, right? Kasi 5 squared is not equal to 17, that is equal to 25. So paano po ba yung proper solution yan, Lodi Cakes? Okay guys, listen carefully. Alam natin na ang y is equal to x squared is a parabola having its vertex at the origin. So this one, assuming that this is a perfect parabola na lang mga Lodi Cakes. And let's say this is the point 5, 17. Okay guys? So ito yung 5, 17. Hindi natin alam kung ano yung tangent point natin. Kung ano yung point na tumama dun sa curve natin. So let's say this is our point. And let's name it as, let's say, c, c squared. Okay? Bakit c, c squared, Sir IJ? Kasi inassume natin na yung x-coordinate niya is c, tapos yung y-coordinate niya, since y is equal to x squared, that is c squared, right? Okay. So ano po ba yung concept, Sir IJ, ng slope ng tangent line? So the given equation is y is equal to x squared. Okay? That means that the slope of the tangent line is equal to its first derivative. So y prime is equal to 2x, the derivative of x squared is 2x, and we have point C here. The x-coordinate is C. So substituting x equals C, so we have the slope is equal to 2C. So that means na if this tangent line, let's say this is the tangent line, so kapag in-extend mo na lang yan mga Lodi Cakes, that is the tangent line, the slope of that must be equal to 2C. So ano na yung magiging working equation natin? Let us recall that the slope is given by the change in y, that is y sub 2 minus y sub 1 all over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So the given slope in terms of c is 2c is equal to y sub 2, that is 17 minus c squared all over 5 minus c. 17 minus c squared, 5 minus c. Kung may questions po kayo, wag po kayo mahiya. And then computing for the value of c, we will have two values here. Kasi magkakaroon tayo ng quadratic. 2c times 5. So we have 10c is equal to, minus 2c squared. 5 times 2c is 10c. Negative c times 2c, negative 2c squared is equal to 17 minus c squared. Gawin natin, lipat sa kabila and simplify. We have c squared minus 10c plus 17 is equal to 0. So using your calculators, guys, pwede kayong pumunta sa mode 5, quadratic, mode 5, 3, and then just input the values of a, b, and c, 1, negative 10, and 17, and you will come up with c is equal to, assume na lang natin 2 decimal, 7.83, tapos yung isa naman natin is 2.17. Okay? So pwede nyo naman gamitin either of the two kung saan magkakaroon kayo ng sagot based on the choices. Ano bang hinahanap? Find the x-intercept. So if you're looking for the x-intercept, guys, so for the x-intercept, alam naman natin na yung coordinate niyan must be, okay, that is correct. That is x, 0, kasi nga x-intercept tumama sa x-axis. Okay. So ano yung magiging slope nito, Sir IJ? Okay, ang magiging slope niyan must be equal to 2c. So 2c equals y sub 2, ito yung point natin, 17 minus 0, kasi we are looking for the x-intercept na, guys, eh. The x-intercept corresponds to the x here. Kasi x, 0. So, 17 minus 0 all over 5 minus x. Okay? Kumbaga, itong point na to, tinama mo dito sa point na to para malaman mo kung ano yung x-intercept. And then, you can choose either of the two choices here. Let's say, ang gamitin nyo dito 7.83, guys. So, ano na mangyari, Sir IJ, kapag ang ginamit namin dyan is 7.83? So, ano na makukuha namin sagot, Lodi Cakes? So, makukuha nyo sagot is 3.91. So, if C is equal to 7.83, ang makukuha nyong x-intercept is 3.91, which is wala naman sa choices, kung mapapansin nyo. So, gamitin natin yung C na pangalawa, which is 2.17. So, we have 2 multiplied by 2.17 is equal to 17 all over 5 minus x. And then computing for the value of the x-intercept or the variable x. So ano magiging final answer natin, Sir IJ? So 1.083 based on our calculator. Pero syempre doon na tayo sa pinakamalapit. So siguro nag-floating lang yan. So the correct answer here must be letter B. Alam nyo guys kung bakit siya naging ganito? Kasi nga nag-round tayo dito. If you will consider here the value of 5 minus 2 square root of 2, which is the exact value, you will get the 1.086. So you can check, i-substitute nyo to sa C, so that is 2 times 5 minus 2 square root of 2 tas equals 17 over 5 minus x. So 5 minus 2 square root of 2. Double check lang ni Sir IJ mga Lodi Cakes ha. 5 minus answer. Ayun, 1.086 nga. So, magiging final answer natin using this is 1.086. Nag-approximate lang kasi tayo. So, if ever may questions kayo or clarifications, guys, huwag kayo mahiya mag-comment sa comment section. Salamat sa mga Lodi Cakes natin na patuloy na sumusuporta sa channel natin. And sana pagpalain kayo palagi nila, Lord, and advance Merry Christmas. And I hope you all the best. God bless mga Lodi Cakes and kita-kits din sa mga raffle natin. Thank you everyone. Bye-bye.